Hey guys, welcome to Router, and today we are gonna use a new tool, a powerful tool called rhawk for recon and information gathering. You can find rhawk in this link in GitHub, and I'll be posting the link in the description. Okay, let's start rhawk. So for first, to install the rhawk, you're gonna go to here, and you're gonna copy this cloning address here, and then in the terminal just write git clone this. So मेरा ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल हुआ है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि डेस्टिनेशन पॉथ rhawk is already exists and is not an empty directory. So cd rhawk. So ये जो स्क्रिप्ट है ये PHP में लिखा गया है, तो टू एग्जीक्यूट इट you have to invoke PHP command before rhawk. Okay, so here we are, rhawk. So for scanning we have a site here which is called scanme.nmap.org. So it's saying that hello and welcome to scanme.nmap.org and the service provided by Nmap. Okay, we set up this machine to help folks learn about Nmap and also test and make sure their Nmap installation or internet connection is working properly. You are authorized to scan this machine with Nmap or other port scanners. So yeah, to perform a scanning you must have a written permission like this, otherwise it will be illegal. So हम लोग ये rhawk टेस्ट करेंगे उसी से. So scanme.nmap.org. So enter 1 for HTTP and 2 for HTTPS. So we know that this is an non-SSL site which is HTTP. So yeah, so we'll go with basic recon first. Okay, so you can see the scan result has come. So site title, go ahead and scan me. That's how we know, because it's saying here site title, go ahead and scan me. Okay, the IP address we got, the CMS it could not detect. Okay, Cloudflare is not there, and the web server is Apache 2.4.7. okay, so we're gonna do a next thing called Geo-IP lookup here. Geo-IP lookup. Okay, so 2 for Geo-IP lookup, and voila, we got the IP address, we got the country, we got the state, we got the city, and latitude and longitude. So yeah, Geo-IP works here. And next we're gonna look for a WHIS lookup, which is here. Let's see. Okay, so there must be a API problem there. Okay, और इसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे DNS लुकअप. देखते हैं इसमें क्या रिजल्ट आता है. Okay, we got some. This is it. 2 DNSs are here. Okay, the next will be subdomain. Let's see if there is any subdomain. Okay, तो इसका कोई subdomain नहीं है. Next, reverse IP lookup and CMS detection. Okay, so uh, no sites found on this server. Okay, no problem. सबसे पावरफुल जो है क्रॉलर, we're gonna check that because क्रॉलर क्या करता है कि वो साइट के अंदर जो जो डायरेक्टरी है सब में वो क्रॉल करता है और आपको एक रिजल्ट देता है. So you can see that admin crawler file found, scanning for admin panel and URLs loaded 817. So बहुत सारा URLs हैं. So I'm gonna stop it right here. If you want, you can go ahead and look for directories. No problem there. Sorry. scanme.nmap.org 1 और इसके बाद हम करेंगे एक nmap port scan. I don't think it's gonna work because I tried earlier, it didn't work, so let's see. Okay, error IP address or hostname only, so there is a problem. Okay, now next we're gonna try mx lookup, see what that is. Okay, nothing. Okay, so this is the basically this is what Red Hawk is. But before closing this video, I'm gonna try another thing, which is there is another vulnerable machine running here, which is DC1. It's a vulnerable vuln hub CTF machine. Okay, और इसको हम थोड़ा सा ट्राई करेंगे देखने के लिए ये क्या है. तो just because we don't know the IP address of this machine, we're going to do a net discover. So this is the IP address of DC1. We're going to use this for scanning. It was 192.168.119. Okay, and it's not HTTPS. Okay. So हम लोग अब करेंगे क्या, एक CMS लुकअप करेंगे. देखेंगे कि ये बेसिक स्कैन करेंगे इसके ऊपर, देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या है. So we got a lot of things. You can see the CMS is Drupal. तो इसमें ना ब्लॉगर्स चल रहा है ना वर्डप्रेस चल रहा है, इसमें ड्रूपल चल रहा है. और रोबोट्स फाइल फाउंड, तो रोबोट it found a robot.txt and it showed us what the things are there. Okay, so yeah, this is probably this is a very powerful tool, as you can see. You can use Red Hawk for a lot of scanning like this. Okay, this is it, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you love the video, please share it.